When seconds count, every decision matters. Fire and Safety Australia delivers nationally recognised training to prepare your team for the most challenging road crash emergencies. Our Undertake Road Crash Rescue course equips emergency response personnel with the practical skills and confidence to save lives in real-world scenarios. Participants learn how to safely manage crash scenes, use specialist equipment, and carry out effective casualty extrications under pressure.
Led by industry-experienced trainers, the course blends theory with immersive, hands-on training, so your team builds competence, not just compliance.
Whether you're part of an emergency response team, site safety unit, or frontline service, this training ensures your people are prepared, capable, and ready to respond.